Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about emptying the recycling bin automatically when you sign out of your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in storage. Best match, come back with storage settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side underneath storage management, turn this to the on position, so toggle it on, and then actually click on this box here. So on this page, you want to scroll down where it says delete files in my recycling bin if they've been there for over. Click on the drop down, set it to 1 day. For all intents and purposes, it's basically like if you restart your computer, it's pretty regular. So that's what I would recommend just setting here. And then once you're done with that, you can actually run storage sense now. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.